Yo, what is good, guys? This video will be very helpful just because on my previous course, a lot of people were kind of confused identifying market structure. And what do you mean by the market structure break, Daniel? So what I mean by the market structure break is when you see a certain pattern, not a pattern, but kind of like a push that breaks lows or highs. In this situation, let's draw this right here, this zone. Let's draw this zone right here. So let's draw those two zones. What do you see here happening right here? Let's move this right there. Oops. What do you see happening right here? We have this push that happened right here, pushing down, breaking market structure to the downside because this push, this last candle where the push ended up closing below all of these candles right here. So in this situation, we do have a push to the downside, which was really lovely. Boom. Let's see right here. This is another beautiful example. What do we have right here? You know, we have this level right here, and we have this level right here. And as you guys can see here, we had a really big push to the upside, breaking market structure because this push right here closed above all these highs. This bullish candle right here closed above all of these highs and took out all of these highs. And what do we have? We have a retracement and then boom, continuation. Same thing right here. What do we see here? We have this zone right here ranging. And what do we have? We have a push to the upside, breaking market structure. This high ended up taking out these highs. So, of course, what do? We run our Fibonacci. Boom, entry, continuation, take profit 4, hit. Beautiful. Let's look for more examples. Let's go to the infamous US 30. Oh my goodness. That is hilarious. All right, so what do we have here? We have price ranging right here, as you guys can see. What do we have right here? Price ranging right here. And boom, we have this big push. We have this nice little push right here. Let's get my arrow out. Boom, this high taking out all of these previous highs. So in this situation, what are we gonna do? We're gonna run our Fibonacci. Let's try to run it from the bottom here. Oh my God, why do I keep doing that? Boom, to here, boom, entry, Fibonacci. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's really nice actually. Perfect, 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 perfect. So now let's look at this. Same thing here. You know, market's starting to range within this zone. Right here, and what do we have? We have a big, beautiful, clean push. This was a clean setup. Very risky though. I don't like trading US 30 anymore. I used to. 764 being very well respected before coming back down. So we had a market structure break to the downside because this push right here took out all of these previous lows, came to a retracement, and just kept melting. So that was a really nice setup. You know, let's go to the Australian dollar and the US dollar. So let's go here. Look at that. Market decided to trend last night a little bit. So what do we have here? We have new higher highs being created. Okie dokie. We have new lower lows being created. New higher highs. Now we're just consolidating at this point. We're just consolidating right here. So what are we going to do? We're going to wait for some type of push. And as you guys can see here, we had market structure being broken to the downside and this huge candle melting. So let's see how we were going to be able to capitalize on this move. Because let's say, for example, we would have ran Fibonacci's from this push to here. We wouldn't have been able to make it. Pushing it here. Oh, what happened? We ended up hitting our zone. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So in this situation, it was choppy, worked out perfectly. Let's look at this 30-minute. Okie dokie. Looks ugly in a 30-minute. Let's Look at the 5 minute. Even worse. Jesus. Very terrible. But anyways, what we're always looking for in setups like this is we're looking for stuff like this, man. Very simple. Nice pushes. Not stuff like this. We don't want to enter in things like that. We want to enter off retracements like that where there's not enough traffic. This is traffic. I like to call this traffic consolidation. This situation, I'm going to use it like traffic. I don't want to enter off traffic. I want to see pushes like this. I want to see pushes like that. Pushes like this. That's what I want to see. This was beautiful. This was so clean. I want to see pushes like this coming back down. Look at this thing. We have market structure being broken to the downside right here. This push taking out all of these previous highs and lows. And look at that. We have an entry here at our Fibonacci. And bam, what happened? Perfect, beautiful, clean setup. Ended up going, completing, take profit for 50 pips. So one thing that we have to do always is identify the market structure. So that way when we run our Fibonacci's, we have a real clean entry. So remember guys, we want to look for clean. Look at this. This is insane. Like the market, like the trending market video. Look at this, man. We have so many entries here. Look at that. We got one, boom, back to back, boom, back to back, boom, 764, bet. Bet. And look at that. We just kept going and going. Like we just had back-to-back setups. Back-to-back setups, man. This is crazy. Keep in mind, guys, look at this. No new lower lows were being created. These are just new higher highs every single time. You know what I'm saying? So you always want to pay attention to the market structure. Always. Make sure you have real nice clean setups like this. Always. Or like that. You always want to look for those clean setups. Boom. If you guys can understand me there. So that's it for this video, guys, man. Make sure to rewatch it. You kind of always need to really, literally, you need to always understand where you're going to run your Fibonacci. Always need to run it. Thank you guys for watching this video, man. If you guys have any questions, man, send me an email. Send a message in the Discord. Let's see if we can give another little example. This was a choppy setup. As you guys can see here, golden zone, boom, before going up. So that's very, very choppy. Very choppy. Very ugly little setup here that happened. We didn't even make it. We were so close. So in this situation, guys, in this video, guys, keep in mind, you guys always need to identify the market structure. So thank you guys for watching the video, man. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, send a message in Discord or send me an email.